Hello everyone, welcome back to May's Kitchen. Today I got a delicious recipe for you. It's a old time classic with a twist. Unbelievable twist. Today I will be making a holiday landmark special, pecan pie. But guess what? This pecan pie got a twist you probably never ever heard of before. Guess what it is? You don't use syrup. Some of the older cooks probably would turn over in their grave if they heard me say you don't use syrup in your pecan pie. They would be saying, "What? No syrup? What is you making?" But okay, this is an absolutely delicious recipe, easy. But like I say, that big twist, you do not use syrup. So let me tell you what you will need to achieve this recipe. And once you try it with family and friends, unless they just want to be haters, if they like pecan pie, you're going to be getting rave reviews. Okay, let me tell you what you don't need. Okay, here's your ingredients. This is what you would need. You're going to need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 sticks of melted butter, 2 cups of sugar with a 1/4 a teaspoon of salt in it, mixed up together, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor, 2 cups of chopped nuts, and then you'll need some pecan halves for the top. And you're going to need 3 9-inch pie crusts. Okay, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to mix this up. Because it's so messy getting our condensed milk out the can, I already got my condensed milk in there. Go ahead on and add my 2 cups of sugar. Kind of stir that around a little bit. You totally don't have to do this. You can use the mixer, but I always like to kind of give it a head start. And then I'm gonna go ahead on and add my 2 sticks of melted butter. Kind of stir that around in there and kind of get it started and incorporate it in there before I put my mixer to it. You got to stir it a long time. Just stir it around because you're going to put the mixer to it for about a minute. Then I go ahead on and add my 4 large slightly beaten eggs. I'm going to stir that around enough to get it incorporated in there a little. Okay, you're going to need your hand mixer or whatever kind of mixer you use. Get it started. It's going to be a little loud, but you're going to just mix it in just a little bit before I add my vanilla to it. Just be kind of gentle with it because you don't want to splash it. And once you get the filling mixed in pretty good, you don't hear all that liquid stuff, you can turn your mixer up. Okay, that's good enough for right now. I'm gonna add my 2 teaspoons of vanilla in. Take my spatula, just kind of incorporate that in and see it's in it. Sugar, the mixture at the bottom of the bowls and not mixed in well. I'll take that time to kind of stir that in. take this time to do that. Okay, beat it just a few more seconds and then I'll be ready to add my pecans. Like I say, this is very easy. Don't take an excessive amount of beating because I always start stirring my ingredients in before I put my mixture to it. Before I put my hand mixer to it. Okay, I'm getting ready to add the pecans. I got 2 cups of the ground pecans. And you can see how I grind my pecans up. And this is what I use to grind it up. It's an old-fashioned hand mixer. Been had it for a number of years. I don't know whether or not they still sell it or not, but you can use your food processor, or you can just get your cutting board and chop them up. It's ever hot, whatever texture you like on your pecans in your pie. But we've been eating it like this for years, and I always just take and kind of incorporate those in. So when I put the mixture to it, I only put it on there for maybe about 30-40 seconds. And you can totally mix this mixture up by hands. You don't really have to use a mixer if you don't want to. I know because I've did it before. I'm gonna put the mixture back on it for maybe about 30-40 seconds, and then this will be ready to go into your pie crusts. Okay, that's totally ready to go into your pie crusts. If you do this pie and you try it, you're gonna be just blown away how easy it is and how delicious it is. But it's so simple to make. I tell you, I have gotten rave reviews with this pie when I take it out. And the only somebody that said, you know, I don't like this and I don't like that, which I don't care what you like and don't like. I was, you know, just sharing my pie. It was normally haters. Thought that they was better bakers and just criticizing what you do. But if you like pecan pie, you're gonna like this. Okay, I'm gonna show you this. This is the pecan halves that I put on the top of my pies for decoration. I may not put it on all of them, but you totally don't have to have it. The recipe calls for, let me tell you what, this is a 1 pie recipe, but I just double the ingredients to make 3 pies when I make them, because that's what I about need. And a friend of mine who I shared this recipe with, she the one started, you know, was telling me about those, because normally I would just make, okay, just 1 pie. But for a 1 pie recipe, you would need a half a can of the sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 stick of melted butter, and 2 eggs, and 1 cup of pecans. Now I'm gonna get ready to put these to go ahead on and fill my pie crusts, and I'll be right back. Okay, Okay, I'm back and I'm at the finish line with putting the pecans onto my pie. But I want to just show you, come back and just show you how I normally do that. You can get whatever pattern you want to, and you just nicely drop them there pecans on the top of it, and that's all it takes. And another thing I wanted to tell you, make sure that your pie crust is always at room temperature. Make sure don't just get them out the refrigerator or the freezer and fill your pie crusts, because that will sometimes mess up with your pie crust baking good at the bottom. But you just line your pecans around on your pie like so, and then they're ready to go into the oven. We're at the finish line, and you can put just as many or less as you want to. It's according to what kind of pecans you got, because like I say, down where I live, the price of pecan is not a joke. Okay, we're gonna bake these pies. I'm gonna get them in the oven. We're gonna bake them on 325 for 1 hour. But you can, according to how your stove bake, if your stove bake a little fast and you start smelling those pies smelling all good, and you look around and this crust look like it's browning too fast, take your toothpick, insert it into the center part of your pie, or wherever you want to insert it in, and if that toothpick come back out clean, your pies are ready. And normally they're gonna start smelling anyway, probably about after 35-40 minutes. That's just because how good they are. These pecans roasting up in the oven, that gives a wonderful smell. But okay, I'm gonna go off and I'm gonna get these pecan pies in the oven, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. Okay everybody, I'm back, and this is the finished product of the no syrup pecan pie, the no syrup southern pecan pie. I hope you'll try it, and if you try it and like it, drop me a comment. And if you like my channel, which I plan on putting out a whole lot of nice recipes, just stay tuned. Just hit that subscribe button and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button to let you know when I'm dropping a new video, and hit that like button if you like this. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.